Okay. How would you describe Shelby?
Quiet, sweet, friendly, good friend to you.
Do you like Shelby?
Yes,
Do you think she's pretty?
of course.
Okay. Thank you. Daddy? Daddy? Dad? Dad? Where are you? Oh, no, okay. Hurry up, I have something to ask you.
What?
I have something to ask you.
What?
Hurry up.
You can always eat so fast.
Okay, Daddy. Describe Shelby.
Describe Shelby.
Yeah.
Sweet, tall, good friend to you.
You heard Mom say this, didn't you?
No.
You guys are saying the exact same things.
Oh, well, cool.
Oh, Dad.
What?
Say more stuff.
Say more stuff?
Yes.
Polite. Brings out the best in you, maybe.
Oh, psh, please.
Okay, I need to sit down.
No!